Welcome to BizQuery AI, your sovereign data analyst designed to put enterprise-grade intelligence directly on your desktop and mobile. By running entirely offline with a local LLM, we ensure your sensitive business data stays private and secure on your own hardware. Simply upload your files and ask questions in plain English, no coding or SQL expertise required. From interactive charts to automated business narratives, BizQuery transforms your data into strategic decisions, instantly and securely. In this case study, the RevOp user is seeking a multidimensional view of sales health within a specific market segment. By filtering for the EMEA region and the hardware category during Q1 2026, the user aims to isolate current performance trends from regional seasonal noise. Most importantly, by excluding churned customers, the user is moving beyond vanilla sales numbers to find sustainable revenue. This insight helps the business understand which sales representatives are building long-term value with active clients, rather than simply counting one-off transactions from accounts that have since left the company. Based on the central brain data and the results returned, BizQuery successfully processed 3,493 records to isolate the specific performance of 5 key representatives. The audit logic summary feature explains the generated SQL select statement in plain English, so non-technical users understand what the query is actually doing, which data it's pulling, what filters it's applying, how it's aggregating the numbers, and why. It provides a transparent, jargon-free breakdown of the logic behind every answer, giving business owners confidence in the AI's reasoning without needing to read the SQL code itself. The sales representative column identifies the human driver behind the revenue. By isolating individual names, the AI allows RevOps to compare performance parity across the team in a specific territory, EMEA. The total revenue column provides the calculated financial impact. BizQuery didn't just pull a raw number. It dynamically applied the user's requested formula across thousands of rows. It computed the revenue by factoring in quantity, unit price, and discount percent, while also accounting for order-specific overhead like shipping cost. The central brain performed a complex join in the background. It looked at the order date to hit the Q1 2026 window, checked the product category to filter for hardware, and cross-referenced the customer status, is_churned, to ensure the revenue was healthy. This demonstrates the AI's ability to handle multi-step logical filtering through a single natural language prompt. This result provides the RevOp team with actionable data to make some strategic decisions. With Evan Wright emerging as the clear leader in EMEA hardware sales $24,500, management can decide whether to assign him higher value accounts or have him mentor other representatives like Alice Smith to replicate his success in the region. Since the revenue excludes churned customers, these figures are the perfect foundation for performance bonuses. It ensures representatives are rewarded for quality revenue from loyal customers rather than leaky revenue from customers who didn't stay. If the total revenue across the region is lower than the Q3 2025 targets, the RevOp team can immediately see which specific representatives or product lines are underperforming in the new year and adjust their Q2 EMEA marketing spend accordingly. Because this analysis was performed locally on the user's machine via BizQuery, the RevOp lead can share these sensitive performance insights with stakeholders without the risk of uploading proprietary customer lists or sales rep performance data to a third-party cloud. The Visualization tab instantly transforms your data into professional charts that tell a visual story. Choose from bar charts, trend lines, or pie charts to see your sales by region, revenue trends over time, or customer segments at a glance. Then export the chart as an image to drop directly into presentations or reports. The Analyze Results feature performs deep analysis by identifying trends, anomalies, and actionable business insights from the data. It returns a structured narrative that explains the why behind the numbers, transforming raw query results into strategic recommendations. Stop wrestling with complex SQL and waiting on IT. With BizQuery AI, you can audit performance and uncover operational friction using simple English queries. Get instant, deterministic insights and professional charts directly on your desktop or mobile. Deploy locally today and transform your spreadsheets into a sovereign central brain.